Welcome to Miami.
They bugging. In the fucking rain.
What is up, Go Fam? You already know we out here in South Beach right now. We with a nice little pack and all that. We literally just woke up. Well, I literally just got out the shower. As soon as I got out the shower, they was all at the B&B. Like, we out, so. I feel as though like every video I made so far, I need to eat in it. But, cause I just wake up and go. But, about to go try to get something to eat real quick. Then we just gonna be bipping around the beach and all that. Probably go downtown. I don't even know. Hey, Pat, you on some shit, cuzzy? Let's see some work. He talking, oh, ugly. Oh, stop swerving.
What?
Uh-huh.
Bro, my couch. Yo, Chris, you got.
Bro, go back into retirement. Fucking worm. Outside. When?
Oh my God, oh my God. There we go.
Beach trenches and all that. Ready to get dog out here.
Starbucks.
Huh?
I haven't seen any.
Starbucks, terrible.
I haven't seen any good food.
Oh my. On a hoagie ass box fire. Like how the
You fucking put it together, you shit ass mechanic. Fuck you. I want my money back.
damn. You gonna let him talk to you like that? You're gonna let him talk to you like that though?
You talking to like that?
You're gonna let him talk to you like that though? Oh! You're gonna let him do that to you? Oh! 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 Bro, Isaac, don't drop. Hey, Jordan's serious. He ain't playing. Oh! Oh, he about to drop. I just found a little Dunkin' Donuts up here. We about to slide to there. And a little iced coffee, some hash browns. I'm good. Damn, that bit burn. That thing burnt. Yo! Man, I'm salty. We was in Dunkin' for like a whole hour. It started raining and all that. Welcome to Miami. They cutting in the rain.
Yeah, they wildin' in the rain. In the rain, they bugging. Oh my God.
He just burnt you up. Okay. Okay. Man, I can't wait to go home to the E-box. He bipping. Oh. Oh. Squirrel looking at bipping in the rain with rim brakes.
Do a flip. You do a flip.
We got the traffic all backed up. Let's see some work, Patch. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Ooh.
In the rain. Oh.
That's crack fiend.
Okay, crack fiend. Coffee martini. Oh.
Use a worm. Let's go, Gio. Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh. Ooh. Let's go, Martin. Let's go, Martin. Oh my. Pull your pants up, son. We found the Miami tunnels and all that.
Niggas got scooters to sit down here. It's slippery. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Slide out. Be careful.
Oh. We ain't in the rain though.
Yeah, roll back.
Roll back. Oh, shit. Oh. Yo, they freestyling. Yo. Who's next? Let's go, Christopher. Let's go, Chris. Let's go. Let's go. Oh! Is that good? He hit him with an RKO. Oh. Yeah. They just doing anything down this shore. They're unreal.
Oh, this nigga changed.
Oh shit! Yeah. Damn, I forgot to turn the mic on, but we still out here in the rain cutting. We about to go back to the B&B. We just had flip it and we out. Shit drawing now. Unreal. He was right, I lied. They said we wasn't stopping.
Yeah.
5 minutes later, look at this. Bro, we on 24th. We got how many blocks left? 13?
Bro. That's what I'm. No stopping. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh! This is cutting. Oh, swerve in the rain? I'm getting soaked. Yo.